Excuse me, sir. I was walking by, and I really liked your hat. I just wanted to ask, where'd you get it from? Oh, do you just want me to leave?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you doing, man?
I'm about to pull the fire alarm.
No, you're not.
Shh,
Hey,
no.
security.
Stop.
Security.
Security?
Go get your gun. Go get him. Hey, call your security, man. Get this guy in here. It's not the first time he's done this.
What?
He said he's gonna pull the fire alarm.
I did not
Okay?
say that. When the fire alarm's illegal.
He asked him where he got his hat. Okay.
Thank you.
No, he didn't. He said he's gonna pull the fire alarm. He said
Yeah.
Something I can help you with?
Can you just ask him where he got his hat from? I still want to know.
Where'd you get your hat from?
the store.